Hey guys, on this video I want to show you how to get 3000 token on Blooket for free. This tutorial is work on any device, Android, iOS, computer. Just open a browser. Now I open my Safari and I search www.go-token Pro. This is the website. Go Token Pro. Hold on. Now you need search, and now it's loading. Remember, Go Token Pro. Now, as you can see, token events of 3000 tokens. You need your Blooket username. My Blooket username is this. Now I enter my username here. Good. Now you press this button and you need wait to loading this site. As you can see, connected, etc. Now scroll down, you can see website status. As you can see, status online 2 days ago, online users today generating those. This is a recent activity, and this is people vote. You can vote, and this is people comments. You can add the comments here. Now, as you can see, generating resource. You need wait to loading this site. Successful, as you can see. Now my name connected, resource ready. Good. You don't like a robot, please verify that you are a human. Click to verify button below and follow the instruction. Now I verify. I press this button, verify now. Verify with survey. Now I need to complete one of these offers. As you can see, install the best security VPN. Now I complete this survey. Just install this app. Good. It's installing. Now you need open and use this app You need complete this. I turn on. Why this is not working? What? As you can and find, just open up and use this app. Wait 50 seconds, and now as you can see, this is time, and you receive this notification. Congratulations, you have received 3000 tokens. You need climb. And now I have 3000 tokens on my account. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.